Surface protection films come into play in every aspect of our daily lives. Here's flexible packaging industry leader KOROZO's high-quality surface protection film. Get your guard up to keep surfaces looking like new. Meet Koroguard Surface Protection Film. You can use Koroguard surface protection on many different kinds of surfaces. Koroguard surface protection film stands out with its adhesive-free structure and does not damage surfaces. Thanks to its thermoforming compatible structure, it does not lose its protection at high temperatures. Koroguard surface protection film does not leave any residue behind after removal. Film thickness ranges between 20 to 100 microns and it comes in different colors. You can get any design printed on Koroguard surface protection film. For a hassle-free protection of your surfaces, choose Koroguard. Get your guard up now!